Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello my students, how are you today? Okay, today we have English for the 6th grade, second term. Our lesson is Unit 5, Yesterday and Today, Rhythms and Reading, pages 38 and 39. My name is Badr Sweden, with me teacher Saleh Al-Aujan. Okay, what are our objectives today? You will learn how to act out the chant while chanting, read the chant individually, play an action game. Okay, but before we start, let's make a revision for the last class. So, on page 36, we took what? This question. Listen and practice saying the words in pairs. So, we have now two boys here, okay? And the first boy will say the verb in present, and the other boy, he will say the same verb, but in the past. In the past. So, the first boy says what? Get up. And the other boy says what? Got up in the past. Okay, so get up, got up. Okay, number two, we have eat lunch, ate lunch in the past. Okay, number three, come home, came home in the past. Come home, came home in the past. Okay, number four, do my homework in the past, did my homework. I have finished. Okay, so I did my homework. Number five, take a bath. Okay, took a bath. Took a bath in the past. Number six, go to bed. Went to bed. So go, went. Go, went in the past. Okay, now number two, listen, point, and chant. So, number one, we have this boy. Okay, so I usually get up at 6, maybe. But yesterday, I got up at maybe 6:30. Okay, number two, we have this boy. Okay, so he says, I usually eat lunch at 3 o'clock, but yesterday I ate lunch at 3:30, for example. Okay, number three, we have this man. Okay, so he says, I usually come home at 10, but yesterday I came home at 11, for example. Okay, number four, we have this boy, he is doing his homework. So he says, I usually do my homework at 7, but yesterday I did my homework at 7:30, for example. Okay. Number five, we have this baby. He is taking a shower, okay, taking a bath. So he says, I usually take a bath at 9, but yesterday I took a bath at 7, for example. Okay. Number six, we have a girl here she's sleeping. So she says what? I usually go to bed at 8, but yesterday I went to bed at 8:15. Okay, for example. Okay, now we have on page 37, what time is it? So you will listen now to some clocks sometimes, okay, and you will practice to choose them. Okay, so we have those clocks here. Okay, now can you tell me what time is it here? 7 o'clock, excellent. What about this? 7:30. What about this? 9 o'clock. What about this? 9:30. What about this? 1:10. Excellent. What about this? 2:20. What about this? 4:15. What about this? 5:30. What about this? 5:10. 9:25. 10:15. And number 12, it is what? 11:45. Okay, now you will listen and choose which one is this. Okay, let's start.
It's 9 o'clock. It's 1:10. It's 9:30. It's 4:15. It's 11:45. It's 5:30. It's 2:20. It's 5:10. It's 7 o'clock. It's 9:25. It's 7:30. It's 10:15.
Excellent. Okay, now on page 173 we took this question, read and practice. So now you will listen to the sentences and say it after it. Okay, say it after the sentence ends. Let's start.
Get up, got up. Get up, got up. Go to bed, went to bed. Go to bed, went to bed. Eat lunch, ate lunch. Eat lunch, ate lunch. Come home, came home. Come home, came home. Take a bath, took a bath. Take a bath, took a bath.
Do my homework, did my homework. Do my homework, did my homework.
Okay, excellent. Okay, now number 2, listen and chant. Now let's read them together. I usually eat lunch at 12 o'clock. This is what? Usually. Okay. Yesterday I ate lunch at 1 o'clock. So usually eat, but yesterday ate. Okay. I usually come home at 3 o'clock. Yesterday I came home at 3:30. So usually come, but yesterday came home. I usually do my homework at 5:30. Yesterday I did my homework at 8:30. So usually do, yesterday did. Okay. I usually take a bath at 8 o'clock. Yesterday I took a bath at 6:30. So I usually take, yesterday took, I took. Excellent. Okay. Number 3, write the past tense forms. I take a bath. Can you tell me what is the past of the verb take? So I take, but yesterday I took. Excellent. So I took a bath. I took a bath. Okay. Number 2, I do my homework. What about the past tense here? Yes, I did. Excellent. I did my homework. So I do my homework. I did my homework in the past. Okay, now on page 174 we took this question, read and practice. Now let's read them together. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Excellent. Okay. Now what we will learn today: act out the chant while chanting, read the chant individually, play an action game. Okay. Now turn to page 38. Page 38. Today we have rhythms and reading. Rhythms and reading. Okay. Now, number 1, listen, chant and do. Listen, chant and do. Okay. So this is for the first question here. We have what time do you do it? What time? What time? What is what time? What time? Okay. What time do you do it? Do what? Take a bath, do my homework, go to bed, okay? Do. What are you doing? So what time do you do it? Okay? Now, this is a time here. Can you tell me what time is it? It is 6 o'clock. Excellent. So we have it is 6 o'clock. Okay. At 6 o'clock, I jump out of bed. Jump out. When you're on the bed sleeping, you jump out of the bed. Out of the bed. So I jump out of the bed and brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. Okay, so I brush my teeth. So again, at 6 o'clock, I jump out of bed and brush my teeth. Okay, now, what time is it here? Can you tell me? It is 1 o'clock. Excellent. Okay, at 1 o'clock, I finish school and ride the bus home. So I finish school. So he go home. Then and ride the bus home. So ride the bus. So he goes by a bus. So and ride the bus home. Okay, now can you tell me what time is it here? It is 2 o'clock. Excellent. Okay, at 2 o'clock I eat my lunch and meet my friends. So I eat my lunch and meet my friends. Okay. After that, what time is it here? It is 10 o'clock. Excellent. So at 10 o'clock, I jump into bed and dream a lot. So at 10 o'clock, I jump into the bed. Into bed. So we have bed to sleep on it. So I jump into bed and dream. Okay, when you're sleeping, you're dreaming something. Okay, and dream a lot. Okay, and dream a lot. Okay, now let's point and read by yourself. Okay, at 6 o'clock, I jump out of bed and brush my teeth. At 1 o'clock, I finish school and ride the bus home. At 1 o'clock, I eat my lunch and meet my friends. At 10 o'clock, I jump into bed and dream a lot. Excellent. Okay, now on page 39, we have an action game here. Number 3, can you mime what you do at these times? Okay, so number 1, we have this clock and we have a time here. Can you tell me what the time is here? Yes, it is 7:15. Excellent. So we have 7:15. Okay, so here at 7:15, I jump out of bed. Okay, now we have what? Quarter. Quarter here, what does it mean? Means what? Like this. So we have a full circle here, but we have just what? A quarter here. What does mean quarter? Let me write this. So this is what? The quarter. Quarter. Okay, so we have quarter here. So at a quarter, so this is what? Full circle here. And this is what? The quarter of the circle. So at a 7:15, past means what? تجاوز بعد. Okay, after. So at a 7:15, I jump out of bed, like get up. Excellent. Okay, after that, number 2, we have this clock. Can you tell me what time is it here? Yes, it is 12:30. Okay, now here at 12:30, I brush my teeth. So at a half means what? This is a half. So it is half. So you can say 30 and you can say half. Okay, so at a 12:30, I brush my teeth. Okay, number 3. Okay, what time is it? Yes, it is what? 3 o'clock. Excellent. It is 3 o'clock. So at 3 o'clock, I eat my lunch. Okay. Number 4. Okay, can you tell me what time is it here? Yes, it is. Excellent. So you can say what? 8:45, and you can say at 8:45 I jump into bed. Okay, so here they use what? Quarter here. This is the quarter what? 2, not past, not بعد, 2, إلى. Okay, so we have 8:45. Okay, so we didn't reach number 9, but there is what? 15 minutes to reach number 9. So it's 8:45. Okay, it is 8:45. Excellent. But you can say 8:45 to 9. I jump into bed. Okay, so also this is what? A quarter here. Okay, now on page 175. 175, this is called 37. Okay, now we have 4 clocks here. 4 clocks, not 1, we have 4. Okay, the question says what? Listen and practice, match with the clocks. So you will now listen, okay, and tell me, is it A, the clock A, clock B, clock C, or clock D? Okay, so we have at 6 o'clock, I jump out of bed and brush my teeth. Now, can you tell me which clock is 6 o'clock? Which one? Excellent. It's what? It's D. So this is what? 6 o'clock. That's right. Okay. Now, after that, we have at 1 o'clock, I finish school and ride the bus home. Okay, now, can you tell me which clock is 1 o'clock? Yes, excellent. So we have A. So this is what? 1 o'clock. That's right. So we have A. So you can match with the pen. So after that, at 2 o'clock, I eat my lunch and meet my friends. Okay, can you tell me where is 2 o'clock here? Yes, which one? Yes, that's right. So we have B here. So this is what? 2 o'clock. This is 2 o'clock. After that, we have the sentence, at 10 o'clock, I jump into bed and dream a lot. Okay, now, can you tell me where is 10 o'clock here? Yes, that's right. So we have C here. So this is what? 10 o'clock. Okay, now, what you've learned today: act out the chant while chanting, read the chant individually, play an action game, and this is the end of our lesson today. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.